Fukung Hardware Company Limited. Company profile and competitive edge. Fukung Hardware Company Limited and its parent company, Fuhui Screw, is located in Gangshan, Kaohsiung, the largest manufacturer cluster of the screw industry in the world. Fukung specializes in exporting and manufacturing quality custom-designed screws and fasteners for more than 30 years. For years of good services and ISO 9001 TS 16949 certified production process, Fukung has won recognition from numerous clients for their performance excellency. Fukung specializes in manufacturing all types of screws, fasteners, and bolts. Our product lines include T-bolts, custom design bolts, wheel bolts, stainless steel bolts, special material bolts, and more. Equipment and procedure. Fukung is equipped with the latest high-efficiency 6-station forming machine, 5-station forming machine, 4-station forming machine, and dozens of sets of heading machines and thread rolling machines. Because success lies in details, Fukung places emphasis on strict process control. Upon the reception of an order, a meeting will be convened immediately to draw up the manufacturing process for product design and development. From heading, threading, shaping, heat treatment, electroplating, to finished products. Each process is carefully inspected and tested. After inspection, the samples are delivered to the clients via express for further confirmation before they can be mass-produced, packaged, and shipped. Comprehensive quality assurance. In order to make quality products, Fukung utilizes a variety of state-of-the-art equipment and devices to test the materials, dimensions, hardness, thickness, torque, tension, corrosion resistance, surface color, as well as others. And then an inspection report will be composed accordingly. Moreover, Fukung adopts the latest sorting machine and experienced employees to lower the defective rate and to ensure product quality and stability, which further leads to higher quality competitiveness. With customer in mind, we service our customers with passion and dedication. And we never stop innovating and challenging new products and techniques to provide the best solutions for customer needs. Work with us. We believe that Fukung's professional dedication nourish happy customers.